Hi, in this video, we're going to learn the most important and essential conversations you need at the airport. Stay with us to make your next trip smoother and more confident.
Good morning.
Good morning. Passport and ticket, please.
Here are our passports.
And our e-tickets.
Thank you. Where are you flying to today?
We are flying to Rome.
Direct flight, correct?
Yes, that's right. Flight 451.
I see. Do you have any baggage to check?
Yes, we have 2 suitcases.
Please place them on the scale, one by one.
This is the first one.
It is 22 kilograms. That's fine.
And the second one.
24.5 kilograms. That is 1.5 kilograms overweight.
Oh, really? Just a moment, please. Let's take out the heavy book.
Okay, I'm taking out the shoes.
Please put it back on the scale. Perfect. All checked baggage is good.
Do we need to pay anything?
No.
That is great news.
Would you both like window or aisle seats?
Can we have 2 seats next to each other?
Certainly. I have seats 15A and 15B.
Is 15 a window seat?
Yes, it is a window seat.
That sounds perfect for us.
Here are your boarding passes.
Thank you so much.
Your flight departs from Gate C34.
Gate C34. Got it.
Boarding starts at 1 p.m.
Okay.
Have a fantastic trip to Rome.
We will. Goodbye. Next step is security, right?
Yes. Remember to take out your laptop.
Next in line, please have your documents ready.
Here is my boarding pass.
Thank you. Put all metal items in the bin.
I have my phone and keys here.
Laptop, tablet, and any liquids must go in separate trays.
I am putting my laptop in this tray.
Step through the scanner, one at a time.
Any problem?
No, you are clear. Wait, I need to check your carry-on bag.
Oh, is there something wrong?
The machine detected a strange object.
It might be my curling iron.
Please open the pocket.
Here it is. See? Just a hair tool.
I see. Thank you for your. All your items are now clear.
Thank you for your time.
You are welcome. Next, the duty-free shop is on the left.
Let's go find the gate.
C34, right?
Yes, C34. Let's look at the map.
It looks quite far from here.
We should take the moving walkway.
Good idea. It's almost 12:30 p.m.
We have about 30 minutes before boarding.
Let's get a coffee near the gate.
Perfect. I need some caffeine.
Me too. Let's hurry.
We made it to gate C34.
It wasn't too hard to find.
Look, the coffee shop is right there.
I'll order. What do you want?
Just a small Americano, please.
Got it. I'll get a large latte.
Let's find some empty seats to wait.
These two near the window are good.
Yes, we can watch the planes take off.
Did you charge your phone fully?
Almost. I wish I had brought a power bank.
I think there are charging stations over there.
Maybe later. Let's enjoy the coffee first.
Here are our drinks. Careful, they're hot.
Thanks, Leo. This is exactly what I needed.
Are you excited about Rome?
Very. I can't wait to see the Colosseum.
And I'm looking forward to the food.
It is now 12:50 p.m. Boarding will start soon.
Let me quickly use the restroom.
Hurry up, they might call our group.
I'll be quick. Keep an eye on the bags.
I will. Don't worry.
Okay, I'm back. Ready to go.
We are now inviting Group 3 to board.
That's us. Let's go.
Wait, I need my passport again.
Here. Have the passes ready, too.
Welcome aboard. Your seats are on the right.
Thank you.
Excuse me, are we near row 15?
Yes, just 2 more rows ahead.
Here it is, row 15.
I have the window seat 15A.
And I have the aisle, 15B.
Let's put our carry-ons in the overhead bin.
This small one fits under the seat.
Good point. I will keep my book with me.
Please sit down and fasten your seatbelts.
I'm buckling up now.
Me too. Are you comfortable?
Yes, the seat is quite spacious.
The flight seems completely full. I hope the person next to me is quiet.
I still can't believe we're doing this. It feels like a dream.
It's real. And it's just the beginning. Time to go.
Goodbye, city. Hello, vacation.
The view is amazing from here.